Hello students, in today's session we are going to discuss question based on sequence series and circle taken from JEE Advanced 2025 paper 1. Now let's start with the question. Question is, let R denote the set of real numbers and Z will equal 1 plus 2 iota and Z equal to 3 iota be two complex numbers where I equal to under root minus 1. Let x equal to this represents, this represents. This is equation of circle. We have to find the which of the following statements are true. Question is taken from JEE Advanced 2025. Concept applicable and solution. Z minus Z1, that is x plus iota y minus x1 minus iy1, that comes out to x minus x1 plus iota y minus y1, that is equal to x minus x1 whole square plus y minus y1 whole square under root. Its meaning is this. Using this concept, x plus iota given according to question, x plus z means x plus iota y, x plus iota y minus z1. Minus z1 means 1 plus 2 iota minus 1 minus 2 iota equal to 2 x plus iota y, x plus iota y minus 3 iota. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई कर दिया हमने. ये आ गया x माइनस 1 प्लस iota y माइनस 2 मॉडुलो साइन इक्वल टू 2 x प्लस y माइनस 3 iota. दिस कैन बी रिटन स्क्वायरिंग भी कर दी, स्क्वायर टेकिंग मॉडुलस एंड स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स. तो क्या है x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर, इसका स्क्वायर 4 हो गया, that is x square plus y minus 3 whole square. इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया, x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 4x square plus 4y square minus 6, that is 6 minus 24y plus 9, 36. On rearranging, we get 3x square plus 3y square plus 2x minus 20y plus 31 equal to 0. Further on simplification. On further simplification, we 3x square plus 3y square plus 2x minus 20y plus 31 equal to 0. Now, as you know, general form of equation of circle is x square plus y square plus twice gx plus twice of y plus c equal to 0, where center is minus g minus f and radius is under root g square plus f square minus c. This is the concept applicable here. Now, As in general form, coefficient of x square y square equal to 1 and positive, it should be 1 and positive. Dividing, तो ये आ जाएगा by 3 x square plus y square plus 2 by 3 x minus 10y plus 31 by 3. 20 by 3 आएगा 20 by 3 plus 31 equal to 0. Right? Now, comparing with the general form, comparing with general form. So G comes out to be ये twice gx है. So this will come out to be 2 into 1 by 3 and f comes out to be minus 10 by 3. F comes out to be minus 10 by 3 and C comes out to be 31 by 3. Then center will become minus 1 by 3, 10 by 3. Radius will become, center answer में है या नहीं है पहले ये देख लीजिए, minus 1 by 3. This is the correct answer. And radius निकाल लीजिए, radius simplify करके जाएगा under root 1 by 9 plus 100 by 9 g square plus f square minus c 31 by 3. That is 101 minus 93 upon 9 under root. This comes out to be 112. Answer क्या आ रहा है? This आ गया 109, 8, 7, 8. 8 upon 9. That is 2 root 2 by 3. Radius comes out to be 2 root 2 by 3. Let's check the answer. Let's check the answer. A and D is the correct answer. A and D is the correct answer. Right? Next question. Before starting of the next question, hello students, we have gone through all these which you can review on YouTube channel set is done. These are very, very important, and these paper on websites, this. You can go through and have the solution. Now let's start with the question. Question is, let R denote the set of all real numbers and let R to R be functions that fx greater than 0 for all x belongs to R and fx plus y equal to fx into y for all x and y belongs to R. Let the real numbers a1, a2, a50 be in log ap. If a31 equal to 64, a25 and this, then we have to find the value of summation I equal to 6 to 30 AI. Question is taken from JEE Advanced 2025. Now in this case, according to function rule, according to question, given हमें fx plus y equal to fx into fy. Then according to function rule, fx will be e की power x, a की power x, c की power x. Say c की power x, where c is a constant, c is greater than your exponential function. Exponential function. Because e की power x plus y is equal to e की power x into e की power y. This is applicable this here. Now, to find summation I equal to 1 to 50, this is given to FAI. FAI, that is A1 plus FA1 plus FA2 plus FA3 and plus FA50. Let FAI be एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन c की पावर AP में है, तो A1 plus I minus 1 into D. This can be written as c की पावर A1 plus c की पावर D I minus 1 into, product, that is R. इसको ले लिया फर्स्ट टर्म A, दिस इज R I minus 1, राइट। तो इसको फिर वैल्यू पुट करते हैं इधर में FA1 FA2 FA3 और substituting further, where A is CA1 and R is C की पावर D, C की पावर D, right? Now further making the series. Now according to question, we have to find summation I equal to 6 to I equal to 30, that is FAI, that is A6 plus A7 plus A30, इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है, that is A6 plus A7. A6 will be equal to AR5 plus AR6 plus AR29. Total term will be 25. A comma AR5 R की पावर 25 minus 1 upon R minus 1, ये इसकी वैल्यू होगी। इसको इक्वेशन हमने मान लिया 1. Now to find A and R, using given conditions, are given condition में एक ये कंडीशन है FA31 equal to 64 FA25, तो इसको लिख सकते हैं 31 को AR30 equal to 64 AR24, A से क्या R की पावर 6 equal to 64, that is 2 की पावर 6, तो R equal to आ गया 2, एक वैल्यू यहां पुट कर देंगे R equal to 2, and another condition is 50 तक given है, समेशन है FA5325 1, summation I equal to 1 to 50 FAI equal to 3 2 की पावर 25 plus 1, इसको एक्सपेंड किया A1 plus A2 plus A50, यह जरूर चलता रहेगा। A1 first term will be A plus AR plus AR49, this comes out to, तो GP बन गई A R की पावर 50 minus 1 upon r minus 1 equal to 3 to the power 25 plus 1। r की वैल्यू 2 है, r इक्वल टू 2 पुट कर देंगे हम, तो a 2 की पावर 50 minus 1 upon r 2 minus 1 that is equal to 3 to the power 25 plus 1, and further a 2 की पावर 50 2 की पावर 25 plus 1 2 की पावर 25 minus 1 upon 1 equal to 3 2 की पावर 25 plus 1 25 plus 1, because a square minus b square equal to a plus b a minus b, उसका हमने ब्रेकअप कर दिया, तो ये इससे कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो a comes out to be 3 upon 2 की पावर 25 minus a upon 3 over 25 minus 1, तो substituting the values of a and r, substituting values of a and r in equation 1, in equation 1 में पुट कर देते हैं, in equation 1 में 1 is AR5 now equation 1 is AR5 to the power 25 minus 1 upon r minus 1 sorry, this is r, a की वैल्यू आई हमारे पास 3 upon 2 की पावर 25 minus 1 into 2 की पावर 5 into 2 की पावर 25 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1. On simplification, this goes 3 into 2 की पावर 25, that is 3 into 3 की पावर 5, so 4 32, that comes out to 96. 96 will be the answer. Substituting, means fill in the blanks is 96. This is the answer. Means we have to find its value. I am completing the procedure again. We have to find its value. To find its value, we obtain two unknowns. Those two unknowns is to be determined from the given two conditions. One condition is this, इससे हमने r की वैल्यू निकाल ली 2, इससे हमने a की वैल्यू निकाल ली 2, और इनिशियली फर्स्ट स्टेप था इसका एक्सपोनेंशियल स्प्रेड फंक्शन रूल में, दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन बना ये, ठीक है। नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट, if you are new to my YouTube channel Sethi Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.